Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell how you can easily fix your problem with your Bluetooth on your Mac, so if your Bluetooth not working. So first thing you can try, just tap on Bluetooth icon and just choose Bluetooth preferences. So now just tap on turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds and just turn Bluetooth on. So now just try to use your Bluetooth again. So just try to connect to your Bluetooth device again, and I hope that it will help you. If it doesn't help you, you can also try to restore your Mac. So just tap on, just close this application and just tap on Apple logo. Just find here restart and just tap on restart. So sometimes it also helps. And also, if it doesn't help you, you just need to restore to remove some unnecessary file, maybe some programs that you not use. Just try to remove them from your Mac and just try again to use your Bluetooth. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.